This question is from GATE Mechanical Engineering paper of 2019. This is question number 40 of set 2. Question is, the probability that a part manufactured by a company will be defective is 0.05. If 15 such parts are selected randomly and inspected, then the probability that at least 2 parts will be defective is, so we need to find the probability that at least 2 of the part out of the 15 randomly selected parts are defective. Here in this problem, there are only 2 possible outcomes. Either the parts can be defective out of the randomly selected part, that is 15 independent events, or the parts may not be defective. So there are only 2 possibilities here. And so we are going to use binomial probability distribution. So the binomial probability distribution is written as Px is equal to NCx p to the power of x and q to the power of n minus x. Now here, let's p be the event when the selected parts are defective, and n is equal to 15 because there are 15 such parts that are selected randomly. That means 15 events are there and those are independent event. And q will be the probability that the part is not defective. Also, the probability of defective part is given as 0.05. So let's write here p is equal to 0.05. It's given in the problem. So if p is equal to 0.05, q will be equal to 1 minus p, because there are either it can be defective or it cannot be defective. So 1 minus 0.05, that will be equal to, that will give q is equal to 0.95. Now 15 parts are selected at random, that gives n is equal to 15. Now here in this problem, we need to find the probability that at least 2 parts are defective among the 15 randomly selected parts. So this is equivalent to finding more than 0 or 1 defective parts. So to calculate the probability of 0 defective part, we can write here P0 is equal to 15C0 p to the power of 0 and q to the power of 15 minus 0, that is 15. And this will give us 1, that is 15C0 into 0.95 to the power of 15. When you use the calculator to calculate it, it will give you the result 0.4633. Similarly, if we calculate the probability of 1 defective part, we can write, so P1 is equal to 15C1 p to the power of 1 q to the power of 15 minus 1, that is 14. And this is equal to into 0.05 to the power of 1, and q is into 0.95 to the power of 14. And when you calculate this value, you will get 0.3657. So probability of 1 defective is 0.3657. Probability of 0 defective is 0.4633. So if we calculate the probability of 1 or 0 defective, this we can calculate by adding probability of 0 defective plus probability of 1 defective. So this will give us 0.4633 plus 0.3657, and this comes out to be 0.829. Now probability of more than 2 defective can be written as probability of defective, that is more than 2, is equal to 1 minus probability of defective, either 1 or 0 lesser than that. So defective, either 1 part or less than that. So this will give us 1 minus 0.829, and this value is equal to 0.171. Now if we round off it to the 2 decimal place, we will get approximately 0.17. So let's match with the given options. Okay, so this is a fill in the blanks type question, so we don't have any option here, we have to fill. So if 15 such parts are selected randomly and inspected, the probability that at least 2 parts will be defective is 0.17. Now to get more information on binomial distribution, you can refer to the NPTEL course of Statistical Mechanics by Professor Ashwin Joy of the Department of Physics, IIT Madras. Hopefully I was able to clear your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.